gonna review this purse and show you some stuff in it.
You gotta show the bag.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
like, this is a boy bag, and it's ribbed for her pleasure. It's the Chevron one with the urethra-thinium hardware, and yeah, it crossbodies. If you,
Well, you gotta show us.
I'm gonna. So like,
What brand is it?
oh, it's Chanel. See, because it's got the C's on it. See,
Oh, yeah.
for Chanel. It's all black baby cow. So this makes it to go on the shoulder like this, see? And then you can make it long, and it's crossbody. So then you do this. So like, I don't know if you're running from the cops or something, it's easier to hang on to. Anyways, it's did I say it's Chevron?
Yes.
Okay. And it's a boy bag. So that's it. So the review so far is that it's good. It's ribbed. It's a urethra-thinium. And you can run from the cops in it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna see what's in it. Oh, somebody's in. Uh-oh. There. See? It opens like that, pretty easy. You open it up here, what do we got? Well,
This is the stuff that you carry?
they're usually in my purse, yes.
Okay.
So usually I have a back scratcher. What's neat about this is it extends, but you can do this for the Chanel purse. It's neat. Got a tape measure, because you never know when you're gonna need to measure stuff. This is, see? It's like 9 3/4 inches. So yeah, handy tape measures. Earbuds, good for listening to stuff. Oh yeah, you gotta be safe with your mask. You gotta have your Wonder Woman mask at all times. So don't spread the Rona. Gotta have snacks. I'm not one to avoid snacks, so I have a snack on me at all times. It's really handy because you can fit a lot of snacks in here. Fruit snacks, lots of fruit snacks you can fit in here. There's not a lot of room here, but you can clip your nails with this. It fits in there too. If you're ever out gambling and you run out of cards or need to start gambling, you can be the guy with the cards. Gamble. Oh, I have my wallet. To me, this feels somewhat redundant to put a wallet in a purse, but here we are. My wallet.
What kind of wallet is it?
Oh yeah, this is my my Coach. It's Coach, right? It's my Coach wallet. It's camo. Do I have to show you everything in my wallet?
No, no.
Okay, good. I don't want to.
You know, you've got to be careful not to show your license and stuff, so you can keep it closed.
Oh, yeah. I don't want people stealing what I don't have. Yeah. And then there's this chunk of plastic that's in it.
Oh, that's what is that?
Whatever it looks like a bookmark. But I don't have a book, so have a bookmark. You can fit your bookmarks in it.
It's a base shaper.
It's a base shaper for your books. So you could have one of those too. You put it in your Chanel boy bag.
Okay.
And a couple things left. You have your beard comb. You know, there's the fine side right here, and then there's not. You can, you know, comb your beard as you do. It's neat. What's cool is it has this pocket in the back where you can keep. What is this? Oh, toothpicks. You can put like, I don't know, you can put condoms back there, or I guess garbage, or receipts.
Receipts, no garbage.
No garbage, receipts. Where you keep your receipts when you're keying and stuff. No, you don't get to do your own purse video. Anyways, so like it's got this label in here, and like the serial number or something matches other things, and you get a card in the box. And if those don't match, it's not authentic, or somebody lied to you, or you should probably just go buy it at the store and not be cheap. So
what are your thoughts?
I mean, I think it holds a lot of crap. I think it comes in handy when you want to, like, you know, bring your snacks to the gambling thing. So,
All right.
anyways, this is my favorite bag, the Chanel ribbed boy bag, for everyone's pleasure. So, remember, snacks at the gambling. Good job, Chanel.
Thank you.